Good day, folks. How's everybody doing? Today we are playing with some of Mr. Cornwall's creative colors, red and up in smoke mixed in the super duper oil. So what I've done here is made up 5 different variations. Number 1 and number 5 being straight red and straight up in smoke. In the middle, we have a 50-50 mix, and then a 3-to-1, 3 parts red, 1 part up in smoke, and then 3 parts up in smoke to 1 part red. So we'll have a gradient and a variety of different colors created using the 2 different pigments. All of these mixtures are a 4-to-1 ratio of oil to pigment, and then within that ratio, it's a 50-50, 3-to-1, vice versa of the red and up in smoke. So let's get the camera set up and record getting these colors on. Alright folks, and there we have it. Easy as that. Look at the beautiful array of different colors that we achieved using 2 simple pigments, red and up in smoke. Now you can play around with these types of mixtures with any of the pigments, and you can bring the shade and tone of the color exactly into where you want it to be. It's really easy, it's really fun. So be in control of your colors and be creative. We'll see you out here on the next one.